Welcome to Mesquite House Buyer. If you have come to our site, some of these situations may apply to you. You are maybe behind of your mortgage payments and possible facing foreclosure. You have a house with little or no equity and can't sell it in the open market. Your house needs repairs that you cannot afford. You have been relocated or going through a difficult divorce. You have a vacant house or you are tired of being a landlord. You inherited a house and are considering selling it, or you may simply need to sell your house fast. You landed in good hands. We are here to help. We are a local house buying company that buys houses as is, charges no fees, and pays for your closing costs. We stand out from our competition because of our high values and integrity. If you need to sell your house in Mesquite, fill out a form in this site or call us at 214-761-6858. We will be happy to hear from you. También hablamos español, así que llámenos.